Whether you're a freelancer, virtual assistant, or just juggling admin tasks on your own, this video is for you. Today I'm showing you how to delegate your admin work to ChatGPT. Think scheduling, emails, document prep, research, and more. These AI hacks will save you hours, keep you organized, and reduce stress. Let's get into it. Admin tasks are repetitive but critical. They don't need deep creative work, but they pile up fast. The good news? ChatGPT can handle a huge chunk of them with the right prompts. You don't need to be a tech genius. You just need the right instructions. I'm going to show you how. Act as my email assistant. Draft a professional reply to this email. Paste email. Keep it clear, polite, and include specific info you want. Write a follow-up email to name, about, topic, sent 5 days ago. Keep it short and friendly. This is a time saver, especially if you handle lots of client emails or internal requests. It keeps your communication fast and polished. Help me plan a meeting between name A and name B next week. Find 3 time options based on this availability. Insert times. Write a professional email to suggest the meeting. Generate a meeting agenda based on these goals. Insert goals. Keep it concise and include time blocks. Even though it can't directly schedule meetings, it makes planning easier and faster, so you copy, paste, and go. I need a professional document template for task, meeting notes, invoice, contract summary, etc. Include key sections and formatting. Turn the following rough draft into a formal document with headers and bullet points. Paste draft. Whether it's SOPs, reports, or checklists, ChatGPT helps you go from messy notes to clean docs, ready to share. Turn this list into a table with the following columns, e.g. task, priority, due date. Categorize these items based on type and urgency. Output in a clean table. This is great for small teams, project assistants, or vast organizing tasks without touching Excel too much. Prompt: act as a research assistant. Find and summarize 3 key points about topic, using information no older than 2022. Keep the answer short and factual. Create a quick comparison table between Tool A and Tool B for specific use. Focus on price, features, pros, and cons. Use this when you need fast research, summaries for reports, or quick info to present to your team or boss. Here are meeting notes. Extract action items and assign to the correct person. Format it as a to-do list. Paste notes. This is my favorite, especially if you're always catching up on meetings after they happen. Admin work doesn't have to drain your time or energy. With ChatGPT, you become 10x more productive. The trick? Be specific with your prompts. Add deadlines, goals, and context. It'll feel like having a second brain. If this helped you, drop a comment with the task you'll automate first. Hit subscribe so you don't miss the next video in this AI Mastery series.